Hello and welcome back to ElevenLabs. We have seen how do we generate videos and play around with videos. But what if we want to generate audio files? Let's assume we have some blog or somebody else has some blog and we want to convert that into audio files for our audience. How do we do that in most simple format? Let's quickly check that. So we have seen the blank video project. Okay. Now let's move on to audio projects, right? And the first one we are going to do is URL to audio. And before that, I would go to rit7.com/blog. And let's say I'll go to emergent AI. I'll copy this particular link. Okay. Keep in mind, for us to be able to convert URL to audio, we need to have the URL accessible publicly. Okay. It should not be behind any password protection or something like that. Now I'll click on URL to audio, and as we all might have already guessed, we need to give a URL, and I'm giving the URL of our blog, right? Now we have a default voice here, which is Anushri, right? If you want.
Alright, let's not overthink this. Just sit back, listen and enjoy.
Okay. If you want to change this, you could also change this, obviously. And if you want to select auto assign voices, which is in alpha, you could also do that. And this means automatically detect characters in the project and assign matching voices to them. This process can take significant time for longer content. Okay, so we'll not go with this one for now. Okay, I'll click on create project. And we have a lot of options here. These are video based, okay, and these are audio based. And everything that we've got in this blog post, okay, is actually imported here, along with the heading, the points that we have mentioned, okay, subheading and everything. Okay, now if you see here, okay, this is the voice that has been added for all the text that we've got over here, right? So if I actually play this,
Decoding. Emergent AI turns text into apps instantly.
right? So you can see that. Now once this is generated, you can see this one added over here, okay, based on heading. This is the heading, and then next paragraph is here, okay, and if you scroll towards right, the next para comes here, right? Each of these statements is differently added over here, right? So click on this, you can see this. If I play,
RIP coding. Emergent AI turns text into apps.
okay, now the voice is a bit annoying, I know. You can see here some building kind of thing. Okay, this means that we have voice generated for these text, right? So if I scroll, then you can see for these text, the voice is not yet generated. Now if I click on share, okay, then I can share this with anybody. Okay, like right now, no access. I can give them as viewer access or commenter access, and then copy the link and share it with them, right? If I click on export, then it will tell me that it will cost 10,939 credits to generate the remaining paragraphs, right? So it is not generated for the entire blog. It is generated for some of the sentences or paragraphs, and for remaining ones, it is just left it as is for now. If you want to export it, then it will generate for all the text and then give us the required output file. Now, if you want it to be different voice, let's say for example, this one, right? I'll change it to different voice. I'll click on this. I'll go to voice, and then let's assume I'm going with Amelia, right? So voice usage notice, Amelia, gentle and emotive, custom pricing. This voice has custom pricing of 0.2 per 1000 characters. Higher character usage may apply. Okay, check this out, right? So this particular voice has different pricing altogether. Okay, I don't know why, but okay. Now, I think these are all professional voices and that's why it is that way. Let me go to Jeet, right? Now, whenever you change the tone, okay, or the voice agent, then you will have to generate this again. Now you see that this is not generated, right? Previously this was generated, but now because I've changed it, the voice has to be generated. So if I click on play, now it will generate for this. It will take a few seconds, of course.
Waiting for the right time to build your business. The world has changed, and the old excuse of I don't know how to code is officially dead.
Okay, so it has generated the voice for this particular text that we had. Now, if I want to enhance the text, right, I can just click on this paragraph and I can click on enhance text. Okay, you see that this gets changed. You saw something changed, right? So if I click on Control Z, you see that this was the text. I click on enhance text and this gets, okay, I was here, I guess. You go back here, click on enhance text. Yeah, okay. So it changes the paragraph slightly, not completely. Okay. Of course, if you have any audio that you have added and you want to remove the background, you can remove it from here. Use voice changes, we've already seen. Direct speech with your voice, that also we have already seen in one of our previous videos, right? Of course, you can play around with the volume. Okay, you can play around with fade in and fade out. For example, if we are talking about this particular paragraph, and if you want a fade in of, let's say, 4 seconds and fade out of 4 seconds, okay, we'll have to generate the audio again because this has to be different. I'll generate it and you see what happens.
The traditional way of building apps is broken. It costs too much and takes too long. Today, we use emergent models to bypass the middleman. You are now the architect and the builder, combined into one. When you use a platform like Emergent, you are engaging in software development at the speed of light. This isn't about trying to build an app. It is about deploying a production system that works for your customers while you see. Example?
So if you observed when it started and when it is going to end, okay, the volume slows down. Okay, that is fade in and fade out for you, right? Now, if you want to add any space in between, right, you can either click on / and add a break, or you can also use this particular option. Let me close this. Or you can also use this particular option, okay, which is to insert break. So now if I go and add 3 seconds, click on apply and let me be here. Okay, you can also play it by going to any particular text. For example, if I go here, then, and if you play, this will start from this isn't about trying. Okay, it came back here because I am regenerating the audio.
The way of building apps is broken. It costs too much and takes too long. Today, we use emergent models to bypass the middleman. You are now the architect and the builder, combined into one. When you use a platform like Emergent, you are engaging in software development at the speed of light. This isn't about trying to build an app. It is about deploying a production system that works for your customers while you see. Example of an idea. I want a small...
So you saw that there was 3 seconds of gap. This is how you can play around and finally get the output that you are looking for. Now, just like we saw video project, audio project also has other things like voices, okay, SFX, which is sound effects, music, okay, files. The only thing that we don't have here is video, right? Because we don't need video files here. If you go to chapter, then you will also see chapters added over here. For some reason, it only considered this as chapter and nothing after that. Not really sure how chapters work here, but we can create new chapters. So you can see here when you click on this, chapter 2 was created. You can add anything over here and that becomes an audio book for you, right? So if you go back here, then this is what we have. Voices, SFX, music, and all of that you've already seen. So here you can zoom in and zoom out, okay? And as and when you zoom in, each of this portion becomes wider and wider based on what is the length of the paragraph that we have here. Now, one last thing is if you want to change the voice for multiple sentences, let's say for example, this one, I'll click on one of them and then click on control, that is hold on control and left click the sentence, right? Now what happens is only these two are being shown and the rest everything is removed. Now if I want more, let's say for example this one, control and click on the sentence. Okay, all these three are showing this particular voice. I will click on the voice and let's say I will go with Jeet, right? All three got changed. Now I can go back and say generate. Of course, it has to regenerate, right?
Success, command center optimization,
Mastering user experience, mobile first priorities. From React Native to Expo. Go, building for the App Store.
commerce logic, battery payments and inventory.
Beyond automation, the
And there you go. That's all we had for URL to audio. Now in the next video, we will see how do we generate podcasts. So stay tuned. And please do share it with your friends, families, and colleagues. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.